For Tesla enthusiasts looking to personalize and enhance their driving experience, the Yoke Handle Steering Wheel for the Tesla Model 3 Highland 2024 is a must-have accessory. Available on Aliexpress, this innovative steering wheel combines cutting-edge design, luxury, and functionality to elevate your Tesla driving experience. The Yoke Handle Steering Wheel is inspired by the design of an aircraft cockpit, bringing a unique, racing-inspired aesthetic to your Tesla. The ellipse shape of the steering wheel enhances the sports vision of the vehicle, providing a clear and unobstructed view of the road ahead. This design not only looks sleek and modern but also contributes to a more immersive and focused driving experience. Crafted with high-quality racing leather, the Yoke Handle Steering Wheel offers a luxurious feel and superior grip. The attention to detail in the stitching and overall construction ensures durability and a premium look that complements the interior of your Tesla Model 3 Highland 2024. One of the standout features of this steering wheel is its heating capability. The heated function ensures your hands stay warm and comfortable during colder months, enhancing your driving comfort and reducing the need for gloves. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who drive in colder climates, making winter drives more pleasant. The unique design of the Yoke steering wheel improves the driver's line of sight by eliminating the top portion of a traditional circular steering wheel. This not only gives the interior a futuristic feel but also enhances safety by providing a better view of the dashboard and the road ahead. The improved visibility can help in making more informed driving decisions and reacting more swiftly to road conditions. This steering wheel is customizable, allowing you to personalize it to match your style. Whether you prefer a subtle look or something more bold, you can customize the Yoke Handle Steering Wheel to suit your preferences, adding a personal touch to your Tesla. Designed specifically for the Tesla Model 3 Highland 2024, the Yoke Handle Steering Wheel is easy to install. The non-destructive installation process ensures that your vehicle's original components remain intact, and the steering wheel integrates seamlessly with your Tesla's systems.